To jest wyrób medyczny. Używaj go zgodnie z instrukcją używania lub etykietą.
The REAplan is an end-effector robot that gives an auto-adaptive support for the reeducation of the upper limb. In the end-effector of the REAplan is a sensor that verifies the speed, linearity, accuracy and fluidity of all the movements that the patient is making, and analyzes in that way the motor intention of the patient and will give the patient support if needed based on that analysis. The REAplan is composed of three parts. You have the robot with the end effector that is mobilizing the upper limb of the patient in the therapeutic area. You have the patient screen where the games are visualized, and you have the screen of the therapist where the therapist can program the REAplan and can follow all the motor intentions of the patient. For the therapeutic modus of the REAplan, you have three options: passive, active or active assisted. If you select the passive modus, then the robot will do all the movements. When you select the active mode, the patient will be doing all movements and the robot is only registering. The third therapeutic modus that you can select is the active supported modus. In the active supported modus, the patient is doing the movements while the robot is registering the motor intentions. When the motor intentions are not sufficient, the robot will automatically give the patient the necessary support. This is the most interesting therapeutic modus. There are a number of accessories available to adapt the end effector to the patient's needs. All the movements that are done during the games or evaluation modules are registered by the REAplan and are reported in an evaluation report. In that evaluation report, you see first of all the results of the movements that have been done during the games for the different type of games, and then afterwards it gives the results of the evaluation modules. How is the REAplan differentiating itself from other robotic rehabilitation devices? First of all, you have the possibility to work sitting or standing up. You can have a full extension of the upper limb. It's very easy to change patients and it goes very quickly, within up to 2 minutes. It's simple to program the games and the evaluation modules. The REAplan has clinically proven results compared to traditional therapy, and it's all oriented to self-rehabilitation, meaning that the patient can work independently on the REAplan, so that the therapist can really concentrate more on the coaching of the patients.